In mid-February, the memorial was ruined when black ink was sprayed across the front of it, but today the American Legion here in Emmett replaced it, and the community smiled upon it once again.
It's something that belongs here, and it's something that it should be here for all time.
And this time, Gem County Commissioner Ed Mansfield hopes this restored September 11th monument is safe. American Legion member Jim Olson agrees.
What I'm hoping is that it never happens again. But in the event that somebody should unfortunately decide they want to do it, we hope that we have safeguards in place.
Olson plans to implement a number of security measures to help keep the monument free of vandalism, like security cameras, more lighting, and Saturday morning, a fence.
We'll have a fence that'll surround this approach here. You can see little yellow ribbons. That's what those are for. Each of those spots, they'll have a pole that'll be put in place.
Olson says it's aimed to help keep cars from driving too close to the monument, but today the community surrounded the memorial to honor those who give their lives for others.
We're doing this as something to show our appreciation for the people that are fighting for our freedom.
Whoever vandalized the memorial is still at large, and the American Legion here in Emmett is committed to finding whoever committed the crime. In Emmett, Syleste Rodriguez, Idaho's News Channel 7.
We have plans for additional lighting. We're going to illuminate the face of the monument and also put further lighting in back of the monument that'll illuminate the pole. So we'll have a fence that'll surround this approach here. You can see little yellow ribbons. That's what those are for. Each of those spots, they'll have a pole that'll be put in place.